All right, so Kettlebell Cossack Squat, there's two variations. You got the goblet squat and just a regular Cossack squat. Basically, this version, we're in the rack position. You're gonna go towards the opposite leg all on one side. So the goblet squat is where we go left to right, but for this one, you're gonna be in the rack. Get all reps on one side, set it down, switch sides, go opposite direction. Remember that we want to externally rotate the straight leg as you go down, and then you're going to internally rotate it, plant it back in that stable position.